This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7 Coachmen Summit Series 7164 BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, microwave, smoke detector, stove top burner, air conditioning, water heater, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7 Coachmen Summit Series 7164 BHX is 2,969 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.